Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon and good evening, depending on the time that you come across this tutorial video. You're welcome to Elkanah tutorial. This morning we are faced with this question. We are going to be looking at this question. We are going to be providing solution to this question. You can see the equation a plus s is equal to 18, and then s squared is equal to 9, and then a over s is equal to equation sign, meaning that we should provide the value of a divided by s. So how do we solve this kind of equation when you are faced with this kind of equation? This is what you are going to do. This is somehow similar to the previous equation that we solved. Let's say the first thing you are going to do, solution. Then you rewrite the equation a plus s equal to 18. Let's say this is equation 1. And then s squared equal to 9. Let's say this is equation 2. And then we are asked to solve a divided by s. So a divided by s equals to equation sign. So this is what we are going to be looking at. But before we are going to get the value of a divided by s, we need to know the value of a and also the value of s in order for us to get the value of a divided by s. So what are we going to do? First, we are going to take care of this s squared equal to 9. If we are able to get the value of s, we can get the value of a by substituting the value of s into this equation 1 to get the value of a. So how are we going to do that? We bring it out. S squared equal to 9. We can say that taking the square root of both sides, taking the square root of both sides, short form. So if we do that, we are going to have something like this. Square root of s squared equal to square root of 9. Now, if we take the square root, you know that in indices, or you know that s in a square root is equal to 1 over 2. Now, we're made to understand in indices that s squared, if we have something like this, 1 over 2, these 2 can cancel out and then we'll be left with just s. So, having known that square root, we know that 9 can be we can also write 9 as 9 equals to 3 raised to the power of 2, just like this s raised to the power of 2. So square root of 9 is going to be something like this also. And also going to be something like 9 raised to the power of 2. 3 raised to the power of 2. The square root of it is going to give us 3. So having known this, we say square root of s squared is going to give us s equal to square root of 9 is going to give us 3. So we have known the value of s. So we can substitute the value of this s into equation 1 in order for us to get the value of a. So let's do that. Let's say substitute the value of s into equation 2. If we do that, bringing equation 1 is a plus s equal to 18 18. So we know the value of s as 3. So a plus 3 equal to what? 18. Now we can subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. You know, I told us that anything you are doing to any equation, anything you are doing to the left hand side, you also do it to the right hand side. So we're going to minus 3 from both sides of the equation to remove this 3 from this side. Or we can say that collecting like term by moving this one to this side, and when plus 3 is moving to the right hand side, it's going to be minus 3. So we are going to have something like this. Let's say a equal to 18 minus 3. That is collecting like terms. Collecting like terms. So if we do this, we are going to have a equal to what? 18 minus 3 is going to give us 15. So we now know the value of a also. We now know the value of a also. So now we know the value of a, we know the value of s. Now we can get the value of a divided by s, and therefore a over s is the same thing as 15 divided by 3, which is equal to what? 5. So therefore a divided by s is equal to 5. Our final answer. So when you are faced with this kind of equation like this, our equation, when you are faced with questions like this is how you solve it. It's a bit tricky, but with the knowledge of equation, you can be able to solve these questions easily whenever you come across them. Please, if you have not been following me, please click the follow button, like this video, comment your thoughts, your own idea on how to solve this kind of equations. And please, if you are watching this on YouTube, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more. Thank you. Bye.